Got a little bit of cat hair sometimes.
Light on it?
Oh, sure.
That's light?
Yeah, it's on. Wow, look at that.
Right.
So some kitty cats, they shed a little bit. To be able. Who sheds more? One sheds more than the other, or they're
I
both?
got one cat.
Oh, one. So this one is a good shedder then.
Oh yeah. Well, he's a big guy. When he lays down on the floor, he's 3 foot long.
Okay, so he's like a Mancoon, huh?
Big neuter tail.
Wow. Oh my God, you got a brand new chair here now. So I put the, hold on to that right there for me.
Yeah.
And I put the filter, so let's check out. See it right here. Okay. And you can see we've
Hit
got
the red button.
Take your time. No, it's still playing. It's good.
Oh, it's playing.
Yeah, so that's the
Yeah.
cat here.
Yep.
So they shed, it's fine, because they can shed all they want.
Yeah.
And then I'll do this. I'll have you now.
So they back in the chairs when I told them.
Do me a
No,
favor.
Mark told them to back in the chairs.
Oh, yeah. Go right ahead. I want you to test it out with that trigger. So this is the mini PowerNozzle, mini beater bar. You can tell it does look really good. Right?
What's that?
It does a good job.
Oh yeah, it's nice. Yep.
Got a brand new couch all over.